The app setup area of the platform directly applies to the end user experience. Starting with basic settings, you can control whether the user should log in each time they access the app. With log user location, the app will attempt to grab the user's location at every sync event, as long as the user allows location services. Choose a date and time format to be displayed on date fields. The Start Screen feature will bypass the default. You must first create and publish an icon board and select it as your new default. Advanced Options has additional features, such as preventing password changes and forcing a sync each time the user opens the app. Remember My Answers stores the latest submission responses. When the next form is started, the fields will be pre-populated with the previous answers. Show Draft Entry Badges displays a circular badge containing the count of saved in-progress entries for form screens. The title bar and background section provides options to customize the title bar within the app. Your logo can be applied here as well. Field themes provide the opportunity to set custom color and formatting defaults to apply to fields in the designer. Themes can be applied generally to pages, tables, choices fields, and actions. A preview of your customizations is displayed in the center.